Today we had a giveaway for our passengers on board. We had keychains and a fridge magnet. These are from recycled bottle caps that we've collected during the course of our flight. So this was basically just to show our passengers what we've been doing, initiatives that we've taken to be more sustainable, go green and give back to the society and community.
In Jambojet, we usually sell our snacks on board. So once we collect the trash, it is usually sorted out so that they get the plastics that are then taken to be reused and recycled. They make keychains and also fridge magnets.
It was very nice to be part of the Jambojet sustainability games. I really had a fun and I love the gifts. They are very thoughtful, especially the book where you can plant it after use.
It is very nice because it's to keep our environment safe for everybody and there will be no pollution.
I got this magnet which is made out of plastic that was found in the ocean, and then I got a keyring that was also made out of plastic that was found in the ocean. I think it's beautiful, and I got a luggage tag that was made from old airplane seats.
So all I'd like to say is recycle a bottle and save a turtle.